Hi everyone. Welcome to e-bike updates, and in this video we are looking at compact electric bikes you need to beat the city traffic in 2020. I hope you like the video and find it informative. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my new videos. Alright, let's jump into it. Compact electric bikes are zippy and maneuverable out on the streets and easy to store at home. These city commuter e-bikes are so much fun, so versatile and so easy to live with. They solve the huge problem of weight of the bikes. This comes handy especially when you live or work in high-rise buildings. Let's check out some compact e-bikes available in the market right now. The city is packed with challenges, commuter hold-ups on the streets, full buses and trains, sometimes heavy luggage, and all this even before the sun comes up. But don't panic. The solution has a name: Tinker. With this compact e-bike featuring 20-inch wheels, you can effortlessly glide past all of this with a broad smile. You'll love the spirit of Aerial Rider's M-Class electric commuter bike. It is much more than regular electric folding bikes. The 7-speed gears are all hidden inside hub, protected from the elements and physical damage. Don't let the size of our M-Class fool you. This bike is an urban workhorse. With the rear rack and optional front basket, you can carry groceries, your gym bag, or even your child all at the same time. Every Kettler e-bike is designed and quality inspected to the highest precision, just as it was more than 30 years ago. This 2E compact e-bike can be adjusted ergonomically to give you an optimized cycling experience, no matter your size and needs. Kettler believes in listening to the customer needs and make bikes that move generations. The Ordeler Alley Caravan is a small muscle man for the fast routes in everyday life. The compact e-bike rolls on wide 20-inch wheels and assists with AEG Eco-Drive motor. It is ideal for everyone who wants to be quick and agile through the big city, or looking for a compact e-bike solution that can also be used for motorhome travel. The standard luggage rack and lighting equipment make it fully suitable for everyday use. ISY Drive S8 is pure driving pleasure and simply incomparable. The ISY has a one-size frame, well thought out geometry. The frame grows in length when people from 150 to 190 centimeters tall sit on it. The flat seat angle and the comparatively long top tube make it possible. Its size is perfect to ride to get groceries and supermarkets for shopping. Ebike's runabout is specially designed for city utility use. Perfect to ride to grocery store and supermarket to do shopping and carrying things. Provided with full accessories to upgrade to make it capable to carry anything. It has 696 watt-hours battery that can be charged in 4 to 6 hours and motor that gives you max speed 25 miles per hour. Cabo E30 is made on a platform that is especially sensitive to the new way in which we move about the city. Designed for both those who want to get started in urban cycling, and those who are already very experienced or even professionals. Practicality, style, environmental friendliness, and urban coexistence are the main pillars of this new product. Lenora Radius Tour is playful and agile e-bike just perfect for city life. Take it anywhere. Caravan, trunk, or train. It maximizes your range with the new Yamaha motor. The handlebar can be adjusted in height or turned 90 degrees in no time, and the pedals can be folded down to save space in seconds. Ideal for transporting or leaving it in the hallway. This small lightweight e-bike is also perfect for camping holidays. New Cube Compact Sport Hybrid is an e-bike that rewrites the rules of urban mobility. Powered by Bosch's quiet and powerful performance drive unit with 500 watt-hours battery for wide range that's enough to tackle any hill with ease. The rugged easy step-through frame fits riders of all sizes. Mudguards to help keep you drier when the roads are wet. It's fully compatible with front and rear luggage carriers. Please like and subscribe for more videos on electric bikes. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.